What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to change the bulb in the front reading lights, also sometimes called the map lights, in a 2005 Honda Civic. Like I said, this is a 2005 Civic here, but it will be the same on a few different years. So in order to do this, I'm going to be using this nylon trim tool. If you don't have one of these available, you can use a flathead screwdriver. You're just going to want to be careful because we're going to be prying against plastic. So if we take a look at our lights, we press on the outside of them to turn them on and off. So if this is the outside, we're going to be starting from the inside. You're going to want to take your tool and put it up on the inside of the lens, and that'll allow you to pry the lens down like that. Then if we take a look up in here, we can see the bulb right here. And to get that bulb out of there, it'll come straight out. You don't have to use a trim tool for this, but it makes it a little easier. That bulb will just come straight out like that. And then to put it back in, it'll just push straight in like that. And I'll put the size of this bulb in the description box of the video if you want to take a look at that. And we'll grab our lens, and we want to start the outside of the lens in first, and then snap the inside in like that. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.